Have you ever noticed that when someone yawns, you suddenly feel the urge to yawn too? It's not just you. Yawning is actually contagious, and scientists have a few ideas why. One theory is that it's a way for our brains to cool down and stay alert. When we see someone else yawn, our brain thinks, "Hey, I need to stay sharp too." Another idea is that yawning helps us bond with others. It's like our brains are saying, "We're in this together." So next time you catch a yawn from a friend, remember, it's just your brain's way of staying cool and connected.